Hello my dear students, welcome to you in my English class. How are you doing all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. I am also absolutely fine. First of all, I would like to thank everybody. At the very beginning, I would like to introduce myself. I am Fahima Khatun, Assistant Teacher English, Rangpur Jila School, Rangpur. Dear students, before going to start our today's class, I would like to show you some pictures. Have a look on the pictures. Yes, Pritilata, Pahartoli European Club, and Shuraya Sen. Can you guess? What should we start today? Yes, our today's topic is They Had Dreams, Part 1, Unit 10, Lesson 3, EFT Class 9-10. Dear students, take your EFT book, open at page 130. After this lesson, you would be able to talk about pictures, listen for specific information, read a text and find out information, write about a person, infer the word meaning from the text. Okay? Please try to follow my class very carefully, dear students. At the very beginning, you try to listen the audio about Pritilata and then try to choose the best answers. It is your listening skill. It is an assessment of your listening skill. You know there are 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading and writing. So try to follow the text.
Pritilata was a revolutionary nationalist. She was born to a family of modest means. Her father was a clerk in the Chittagong municipality. She was a meritorious student at the Khasbagir Girls' Schools of Chittagong and passed the matriculation examination in the first division in 1927. She continued her education in Eden College, Dhaka, and in 1929 she passed the intermediate examination, securing the first place among all the candidates from Dhaka board. 2 years later, Pritilata graduated in philosophy with distinction from Bethune College of Kolkata. Pritilata had participated in activities subversive to the state since the period of studies in Eden College, where she became a member of Sri Sangha under the banner Dipali Sangha led by Leela Nag. In Kolkata, she was a member of the Sakti Sangha led by Kalyani Das. After graduation, she returned to Chittagong and took up the job of the headmistress of the local English medium secondary school named Nandukanan Apponacharan School.
Okay, dear students, now it's time to do some activities. There are some alternatives. I am going to take the correct answer. Before that, you should have read the sentences. Pritilata's father was a teacher, doctor, clerk, engineer. Number 2, when did she pass her matriculation? In 1921, in 1927, in 1929, in 1932. Number 3, the Chhatri Sangha was led by Leela Nag, Pritilata, Kalyani Das, Lata Nag. Number 4, she became the head teacher of a local Bangla medium high school, primary school, English medium high school, college. Dear students, I think you have already guessed the answers. Now check your answers. Prithilate's father was a clerk. Number 2, in 1927. Number 3, Kalyani Das. Number 4, English medium high school. Okay, you have already guessed the answers and checked your answers. There are some new words for you, that means vocabulary. You should know the word meaning first, and you can write down the meaning in your notebook. Graduate means to achieve a university degree. To achieve a university degree, you can use the word in a sentence. Mr. Azim graduated from the University of Dhaka. Another word, activist. Activist means a member of a certain social or political group. Mrs. Sultana Kamal is a human rights activist. Then discrimination. Discrimination means different attitude to people, especially on the grounds of race, age or sex. Women should not have any discrimination. They should have equal rights as men have. Combat. Combat means fighting with arms or battle. The soldiers are having combat training. Notorious. Another word, notorious. Notorious means dishonorable. Dishonorable. Opposite of honorable. The police is taking bribe. It is a notorious deed. The police is taking bribe. It is a notorious deed. Now, dear students, another activity is individual work. Read the textbook, and in your textbook you can find a matching and match the words in column A with the meaning of column B. You can match the words. It is your homework too. Another, read the text in the book and write the answer to the following questions. You have some questions, dear students. You have some questions for you. Please notice the questions carefully and try to answer those questions. You can write down in your khata the answers. The questions quickly you write down, and you can take a screenshot on your device. Another activities for you, dear students. Fill in the gaps with suitable words from the box. Use the right form of words. You must try to use the right form of the words if it is needed. Dear students, you have to write down the text in your notebook, or you can take a screenshot on your device. Then you should try to fill in the gaps properly. Now I can try to answer the questions. You have checked the answers. Number 1, plant. B, told. Number C, attacked. Number D, injured. Then committed, ideal, founded, and finally named. In 1932, Suraya Sen planned to attack the Pahartuli European Club, which had a signboard that read "Dogs and Indians not allowed." Pritilata was told to lead the attack. Dressing herself as a Punjabi male, Pritilata with her team attacked the club on September 23 at 10:45 p.m. Injured and trapped by the British police, Pritilata swallowed cyanide and committed suicide to avoid arrest. Bangladeshi writer Selina Hossain called Pritilata an ideal for every woman. A trust named Birkonna Pritilata Trust has been founded in her memory. A dormitory of Jahangirnagar University called Pritilata Hall has been named after Pritilata Waddedar. Dear students, we are going to at the very end of our class. Now it's time to homework. It's time for you to do some homework. Write down quickly. Mention the name of a woman who is your ideal. Why is she your ideal? Write it in 10 sentences. Write it in 10 sentences. Dear students, as the instruction, try to solve your homework with the help of our today's class. Another homework for you. Write a paragraph on my dream. Paragraph on my dream. Dear students, I hope you have no doubt about our today's class. And if you have any query, you can also inbox me. I will try to reply you as soon as possible. Dear students, these are all for today. I hope to see you in my next class very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.